to my YouTube channel, Just Try Cooking. Today we're gonna make overnight oats. Today you're going to need milk, oats, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and don't get honey. Cut your berries and your bananas and your strawberries. Fast but not slow, right? Any way you want, right, Dad? Right, Daddy? Forget to clean your mess up. Your oats into the jar. Okay, we can clean that up. That's it. Put it away and put your toppings. Add a little bit of strawberry and a little bit of blueberry and a little bit of banana. Close your heart and shake. Still need a little more shaking. Okay, and add my. Can I have the toppings? Well, I'm almost done. I just have the blueberry. I add one blueberry, then one banana, and then one strawberry, and then one banana. They're ready to go to the fridge, and they're ready to go to in the morning. So put them in the